Find or read reviews that people are talking about COSENG J22 3500A portable jump starter with air compressor. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Reliable 12-volt portable jump starter. The COSENG J22 is built for real-world emergencies, powering 12-volt batteries in cars, SUVs, motorcycles, boats, snowmobiles, lawn tools, and more. With 10,000 mAh capacity and over 2,000 life cycles, it can handle up to 6.0-liter diesel and any gasoline engine, working flawlessly from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Smart jumper cables with full spectrum protection. Stay safe with smart jumper cables that feature 10 built-in protections like reverse polarity, anti-spark, and short-circuit defense. Real-time visual alerts and a 3-second manual override button ensure that even low-voltage or unresponsive batteries can be jump-started with confidence. 150 psi air pump for tire care on the go. J22 includes a built-in air compressor with 4 pre-programmed inflation modes for cars, bikes, balls, and custom needs. It supports PSI, kPa, and bar units, and automatically stops when your set pressure is reached. Keep your tires in perfect shape no matter where the road takes you. Ultra bright LED with warning functionality. This portable unit includes a 500 lumen LED light with 3 settings: flashlight, SOS white strobe, and red-blue strobe. Whether you're repairing at night or signaling for help, the J22 enhances visibility and safety, doubling as an emergency triangle for roadside warnings. Portable power bank for multi-device charging. The J22 isn't just a jump starter, it also works as a portable power bank, charging phones, tablets, cameras, and more during travel, outdoor work, or emergencies. One compact device, endless power possibilities. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.